Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you are wanting to clean your car, or maybe you've got some nooks and crannies around your house, like the furniture, and you just don't want to pull out your full vacuum cleaner because it is a handheld vacuum cleaner. So this was sent over by a company called YOYOTO, and it's going to come in this little box right here. Naturally, it comes with some instructions. We're covering all the features right here in the video. So this is a 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner. Once you open it up, this is what it looks like. So it's about 1 foot long and a couple inches in diameter. So it is nice and compact. You can put this in your trunk of your car or your glove box if you're wanting to store it there. It works very, very well. As far as on the front, the little power orange button is the power button. You're just going to simply hold that on to turn it on, and it's going to start activating it. And as you heard, there is 3 different modes, which we'll go in shortly. Above that is going to be your different modes. It's going to have those 3 different fan modes. Then you're going to have a little battery icon that's going to tell you essentially how much battery life it is, whether it's 4 lights, it's 100%, 2 lights, 50, etc. Then there is the USB Type-C charging port. It does include a cable here, so that way you can charge it up. It's a USB to USB Type-C plug. And then at the top here, this is where the canister is. It's a one kind of button, easy to go ahead and empty. So simply push down your button, pop off the top, and you can easily empty it. Very, very easy to get rid of the debris. And then at the end there is where it's going to be the suction, and it's going to have a ton of attachments, which we're going to go over here shortly as well. On the back, if you want to do a deep clean, just go ahead and unscrew it, just twist. There's a lock and an unlock. And then you're going to have basically the bottom part, and you can pop out the little filter. The filter has 2 parts. It has a washable little stainless steel filter right here. And then inside that stainless steel filter is going to be essentially a HEPA filter, and they do include a spare HEPA filter, so you can just kind of twist this off and change these out if you wish, and then put in the new one, and you're going to be good to go. You're really only going to have to do that if you start noticing the suction part is getting a little weak. But like I mentioned, this is a 4-in-1 device, and how basically what it works as a traditional vacuum cleaner standard. Put on your various attachments, go ahead and suck via this end. However, you can put on your various attachments also on the bottom side here, and it works as an air blower. So if you're wanting to get rid of any dirt or dust on your dashboard, you can do that. Or if you have like a little computer parts or anything like that, you can go ahead and do that. And now it's going to be sucking in on the other end and blowing out the air. So it works kind of both ways as far as that aspect. You can also utilize this to inflate like inner tubes with the smaller attachment. So save you from blowing up those inner tubes or those balls for the pool, which is great. And then also it's going to work as a bag vacuum. So if you do wish to suck out the air of any of those vacuum bags, if you have those, it'll work as well for that. Now, as far as I mentioned earlier, it's got those 3 vacuum settings on here. Works really, really great. On the highest setting, you're gonna get about, let's say 15 minutes of run battery time on this thing. On the lower setting, you're gonna get about 45 minutes. So it's got a good battery life because you're not gonna vacuum your car on high the whole time. You only really need to put it on high if you are trying to target things, or if you're wanting to fill up inflatable or stuff like that. The battery charging of it, it takes about 2 hours if it's completely dead to fill this thing up. Now, as far as the attachments, you're gonna get 8 of those attachments, and these are really, really cool. So first off, you get a really skinny kind of tube. This works great for blowing out air. Also, if you're needing a vacuum, then you're gonna get like, this is the really perfect one for inflating kind of inner tubes and stuff. You can utilize that. Also great for attaching to the bottom and kind of cleaning out between your keyboard. Now you're going to get 2 little kind of wider blowers with little angles. Once again, these are great for attaching to kind of inflate things. And then these are also, if you have those little bags, they're kind of the standard size for sucking out all the air and deflating them if you wish. Then you're gonna get one with a little brush here, so you can obviously use this on either or. I use it on the vacuum mode. Now, this is my workhorse. I absolutely love this one. So this attachment is great for cleaning essentially your car cushions or your seats and whatnot. Simply go ahead and put it in however it's comfortable for you to hold. Go ahead and slide it in, and now you can just go back and forth on the seat cushion, which is absolutely great. Then you're gonna have kind of your traditional one, which is gonna go between the seat cushions, pull forward, and it's gonna have the little brush, kind of like what you would expect on your home vacuum cleaner, just nice and smaller. And then finally, you're gonna have this nice little attachment. This is great for getting between the seat. Go ahead and slide this on the bottom here or on your device. And now you can kind of move this around. It's very flexible to get in those tough spaces. So overall, really great assortment of attachments. Works very, very well. If you are in the market and you're looking for a great accessory for your car, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.